Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a restaurant on the Caviar app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share a restaurant on Caviar. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Caviar. Next, click on a restaurant that you want to go ahead and order from. Afterwards, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see an arrow icon. Click on that. So this is where you can either copy it or instantly send it via message or email to someone else. You could also airdrop it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share a restaurant on Caviar. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.